Hey, what's up? I hope you are having a good day. I hope everything's going well with you. My name is Don, and welcome to my channel, Code with Don. The purpose of this channel is to help people along their journey while they're learning how to program, code, and use different frameworks. In this video today, I'm going to show you some features that Bootstrap has to offer. A little bit about Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a front end framework that allows you to pretty much the best way I can explain it is like you can copy and paste the CSS from Bootstrap onto your web page that you're building, and you can modify it that way. It's a lot quicker, a lot faster compared to sitting, behind your computer and typing the CSS manually. Um, it's not only uses CSS, but you can do that with like HTML, JavaScript as well with Bootstrap. This video is good for those who already know CSS or HTML and JavaScript, and you're just trying to work more efficiently. But if you don't know these things, don't just how can I put it? Focus on learning the concepts of the languages before you try like just working with copy and pasting, because the uh, you're not going to learn the CSS. You're not going to learn the HTML just by copying and pasting it. Um, so let's begin. This is going to be a very simple project, nothing crazy. I'm just going to show you some features that you can do with Bootstrap. First things first, you're going to want to create a folder, and just you can call it whatever you want. I call this one web project 1. In this folder, you're going to have a folder called templates, and you're going to have a folder called static. The code editor that I'm using is Brackets, and you can download this on the internet. So first things first, I want to explain HTML is not a programming language. It's a hypertext markup language that uses tags, things like that, to pretty much set up the structure of your website. Everything that you see on the internet, every website you see uses HTML. HTML is pretty much the backbone that sets up the structure of your website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to open folder, and we're going to go to the folder that we just created, templates, and we're going to just hit select folder. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Control N, and you're going to hit File, Save As, go to that folder, and you're going to go into templates, and just call this home.html. I already made a file, so I'm going to call mine home1.html. It's very important to always document what the file is. That's why I have the .html, so you don't get confused. Once you do that, we're going to set up our HTML doc doc type. So you're going to hit Shift, you're going to hit 1, you're going to get the exclamation point, then you're going to hit Tab. Oops, my mistake. File save. There we go. Let's call this the title. Well, let's explain what comes in the document real quick. The doc type explains what the document is. The language we're using is English. The head tag, the meta chart set, the title of the document. We have the body tag. This is everything that's put in here is what you're going to see when you're building a website. So what you put in here, like the heading, the paragraph, all that will be shown on the web browser. So document, we'll just call this, we'll just say bookstore. And we're going to create a H1 tag, which is the heading 1 tag. It's always the biggest heading. So you're going to hit the you're going to hit the less than angle bracket. You're going to hit H1. You're going to hit the shift button. You're going to hit tab, you're going to click on this. You're gonna hit the greater. Sorry, it's been a long day. You're gonna hit the greater than um, angle bracket, and then it gives you the full H1 tag. And we're going to just call this bookstore. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to say down south reading. I live down south, so just make a quick, simple name. Whatever you want to make your title is, it doesn't matter. Now that we have that set up, we're going to minimize this. We're going to go to our web browser. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in Bootstrap. And this is it right here. You're going to click on this. Wrong page. I don't know why that took us there. Let's try that again. Here we go. Go to the second link. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. And I just want to show you some. Right here is the installation packages. I'm using brackets, so I will not be using any of these installing packages right here. But what we're going to use is we're going to link it right here. We're going to copy this. We're going back into the brackets editor. And right here under the title, you're going to right click. You're going to hit paste. Once you do that, hit File, Save. And what this does, it links the Bootstrap website and its features to our HTML, so we can now start copying different uh, digital assets off of the Bootstrap and put it onto our website. But before we do that, I want to show you a live preview of what the website looks like right now. So this lightning bolt right here is a live preview. If you click that, left click it, it will give you a live preview of what you have so far on your website in a live browser. No one else can see this, only you. So let's go to Bootstrap and check out some of the features now that Bootstrap is linked up to our website. So if you go to Docs, on the left right here in this this little table area right here, it gives you all these different options of what you can do. You have forms, components, navigations and tabs, nav bars. Let's left click that. And if you'll notice, if you go down here, it gives you different things that you can copy and paste into your browser, into your website to create a navigation bar. And what you can do is you can take it and you can modify it. Let's go to, let's see, I'll show you something else real quick. Like, we'll go to buttons. If you click on the buttons tab, scroll down, and right here, variants, and it shows you all these different options that you have for buttons. And what you can do, say we like the danger button. We scroll down, and right here where you see danger, you take that, you copy that, and this is an HTML. So we're going to copy that, we're going to put that in our HTML. Under our H1 tag, we'll put copy and paste that. And as you can see, we have our button set up. We'll hit File, Save, hit that lightning bolt again. Or if you already have the browser open, you can hit the Google Chrome browser at the bottom. And as you can see, we have the danger button now. Now, you can modify this because obviously, a bookstore shouldn't be dangerous. So right here, you can click, you can erase danger and put learn more. Hit File, Save, hit refresh, and then boom, you can learn more. Now, Obviously, you can take this button, you can change the color, you can customize all these different things. I'm not going to go through all that in this video. I'm just giving you the quick rundown of the concept so you can understand it, and then you can do that yourself. So let's see. Let's go back. What else could we check out? We did buttons. Let's see. We have more buttons right here. Say you want it more like this, transparent. It only lights up with color when you hover over it. We can do that. It's the same exact concept. You take it, copy and paste it. We'll do one more button so you can just see it one more time. Take that, hit copy. Once again, lets us know this goes into the HTML. And we will erase this button tag right here. Another thing too, whenever you update something on your file or on your document, always make sure you go to file and save, because if you go to your live browser without doing that, sometimes it will not update. So we go to our browser, hit the update button, and obviously that's not good because the whole screen's white, but I'm just showing you this for educational purposes. You can always change that color, but as you can see, light, you can always change it. The text, you can say learn more, file, save, hit the refresh button, and then it updates. Okay, now that we have that set up, let's check